Let's face it, screens are everywhere. But what if, just for a little while, we put them away? What if we looked up instead of down? That's why at Unplug we prescribe digital detoxes to help you connect, but in real life. A family vacation isn't just a getaway. It's the ultimate bonding experience. It can be tough at times, sure. But with curiosity and plenty of sunshine, you'll be making memories that last a lifetime. Every trip has its first. The first dive into local culture. The first unforgettable encounter. The tales, legends, and stories you'll hear, and the ones you'll tell for years to come. Whether it's a cooking class or dancing under the stars, there's magic in the moments that aren't captured on a screen. The laughter, the surprises, the quiet moments of connection. These are the things that truly fill the heart. Let go of the digital world and watch the real one unfold.